Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Rock Band guitar is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after accessories for rhythm game enthusiasts, transforming your living room into a virtual concert hall and allowing you to shred virtual solos with friends. Whether you're a seasoned rock star looking to relive the glory days or a newcomer eager to experience the thrill of performing hit songs, this controller offers an immersive and exciting way to engage with the beloved rock band franchise. Its responsive buttons, whammy bar, and strum bar are designed to mimic the feel of a real guitar, providing an authentic and satisfying gameplay experience that keeps you coming back for more encores. Number 5. Mad Catz Rock Band 4 Legacy Controller Adapter for Xbox One. Are you ready to rock? Now you can play Rock Band 4 on your Xbox One using your favorite wireless guitars and drum controllers from previous Rock Band games on Xbox 360. Don't buy new instruments. This adapter seamlessly supports most legacy wireless guitars and drums from Rock Band, as well as most third-party wireless instrument controllers. Up to 4 players can rock out simultaneously. You can even mix and match controllers, using both legacy Xbox 360 wireless controllers and new Rock Band 4 controllers on your Xbox One. Getting started is simple. Just plug it into your Xbox One console's USB port. It quickly establishes a link between your wireless controllers and the console with just a few button presses. This adapter is about the size of a deck of playing cards. Its low-profile design blends in perfectly with your home entertainment setup. What we like. If you have a collection of old Rock Band controllers, this adapter is a must-have. It allows you to seamlessly use your existing Xbox 360 instruments with your Xbox One. If you're looking to save money and avoid buying new gear, this is the perfect solution. What people say. We have not had any issues connecting 3 legacy controllers at a time. We cannot tell any difference between the reaction of the controllers connected through the adapter and the ones that connect directly to the Xbox One. When it paired with my 360 guitars so quickly, I was shocked. Then I was expecting some input lag. Nope. None. Do yourself a favor, if you already have a guitar from 360 and you want to get Rock Band 4, don't buy the new guitar too. It worked flawlessly in game without needing calibration. Only thing I had trouble with was the initial syncing process, but that was due to user error. Once I realized my mistake, it synced with the adapter quickly and I was rocking in no time. Number 4. Rock Band 3 Wireless Keyboard for Xbox 360. Get ready to experience Rock Band 3 like never before with this all-new wireless keyboard instrument. It's designed to bring a new level of musicality to your gameplay. This versatile instrument allows you to play keyboard, guitar, and bass parts within Rock Band 3. Its 2-octave design features 25 velocity-sensitive keys for expressive control. Take on the challenge of Rock Band Pro mode and play authentic keyboard parts. The adaptable layout lets you play it like a guitar or set it on a tabletop. When you're not rocking out, it transforms into a MIDI keyboard controller. It's compatible with most MIDI sequencers, expanding your creative possibilities. This package includes everything you need to get started: 3 AA batteries and a keyboard strap. You can start playing right out of the box. Whether you're performing in Rock Band or composing your own music, this controller offers a dynamic and engaging way to express yourself. It's the ultimate tool for any musician. What we like. For the musician at heart, this keyboard offers a unique way to play Rock Band 3. Its velocity-sensitive keys and ability to play guitar or bass parts open up new gameplay possibilities. If you're looking for a versatile instrument that can also function as a MIDI controller for music production, this is the one for you. What people say. The keyboard has a 2-octave range, standard Xbox 360 buttons on top, a big button on the neck for overdrive, and a little pad that you touch to do effects for long chords, which is pretty cool. It also has MIDI out if you are so inclined to use it as a real instrument. The keys respond well and have an okay weight. Number 3. Rock Band for Xbox 360. Get ready for a music experience like no other. With 45 tracks at launch and ongoing downloadable content, the challenges never end. Plus, new music will be released weekly to keep the party going. Design your ultimate rocker avatar with our in-depth character creator. Choose everything from gender and body shape to facial features, hair, clothing, and even signature moves. don't forget to select your signature instrument. Take center stage with authentic drum solos. Our freestyle drum fill windows allow you to showcase your unique rhythm and style, making every performance your own. As a vocalist, you can electrify the audience with freestyle vocal fill windows. Improvise your own lyrics or simply shout to the crowd to boost the performance's rock intensity. To fully immerse yourself in the experience, you'll need a drum, microphone, or guitar controller. Prepare to unleash your inner rock star. What we like. This is the core rock band experience for the Xbox 360. With a massive tracklist and robust character creator, it offers endless replayability. If you're looking for a complete package to jump right into the rock band world with friends, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Rock Band guitar for Xbox is a fantastic addition to any music gamer's collection, offering an authentic and immersive experience. Its responsive buttons and strum bar ensure accurate gameplay, making it easier to hit those challenging notes and achieve high scores. The guitar's design is both stylish and ergonomic, providing a comfortable grip for extended play sessions. Number 2. Mad Catz Rock Band 3 Wireless Keyboard Bundle, Xbox 360. Experience the ultimate music gaming with this all-new wireless keyboard bundle. It's designed to bring the authentic feel of playing a real instrument right into your living room. This versatile instrument allows you to play keyboard parts in Rock Band 3. You can even tackle guitar and bass sections, expanding your musical possibilities within the game. Featuring a 2-octave design with 25 velocity-sensitive keys, it provides a realistic playing experience. Feel the nuances of your performance with every press. Take your skills to the next level by playing real keyboard parts in the new Rock Band Pro mode. Master complex arrangements and challenge yourself like never before. This bundle comes complete with the Rock Band 3 software, so you can start playing right out of the box. Get ready to rock out with everything you need. It's specifically built for Rock Band 3, offering an immersive and engaging way to enjoy the game. Please note that while it can be used for guitar and bass parts, it does not support their pro modes. What we like. This bundle is ideal for those who want to dive into Rock Band 3 with all the essentials. It includes the game and the versatile keyboard that can handle multiple instrument parts. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution to experience the game's full potential, especially in pro mode, this bundle is perfect. What people say. There are many great improvements to the gameplay in RB3 as well as a more efficient interface, and the keyboard is a fun new addition to the band. Among my favorite new interface changes is the ability for band members to drop in and out of the band at any time, including mid-song. The song list in Quick Play also lists recommended songs from the Rock Band Music Store, which I like. Number 1. Fosmon 2X Replacement USB Breakaway Cables for Xbox 360. This USB breakaway cable is designed as a great replacement for connecting your wired controllers to your gaming console. It allows you to easily connect your controller to a computer. This cable helps connect your wired controller to your PC for use with supported games. Enjoy your favorite PC titles with the familiar feel of your controller. Easily connect your wired guitar and drum controllers to your console with this breakaway cable. It's perfect for enhancing your music gaming experience. This is a great replacement cable for your Xbox 360 wired controllers. It ensures a secure connection for uninterrupted gameplay. We stand by our product with a limited lifetime warranty. Please refer to our website for more details on coverage. What we like. If you prefer wired controllers for reliability or have wired Rock Band or Guitar Hero instruments, this breakaway cable is essential. It ensures a secure connection and even allows you to use your controllers with your PC. If you're looking for a durable and reliable way to connect your wired gear, this pack offers great value and peace of mind with its warranty. What people say. It is a perfect fit for my Xbox 360 controller and matches the cord color perfectly and looks original. This works very good with the Hori Pro V for Xbox One and other Xbox controller. Marque sans problème est bel et bien compatible avec la manette de Xbox 360 sur mon PC. Tien bien aussi etni se de branche pas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.